Guys, how you guys doing today on this awesome Monday? I hope that you guys are having an awesome Monday. So today is all about a boot makeover. I got inspired by Nicki Minaj. I saw Nicki Minaj wearing some boots. I know it's old. It wasn't recent, but I saw her wearing these fur boots and they was very cute. And I got inspired by her. And if I remember, I want to put the pictures of hers. So just kind of my own thoughts. So I got two boots that I'm going to make over for you guys. So this is one pair, guys. So these is my Uggs, my sequence Uggs, guys. And I did the boot makeover. And this was an old rabbit fur and leather jacket. And I wind up doing this, guys, and doing the little the puff balls. So guys, if you guys want to know how to make the puff balls, in my video to show you the key ring, it'll be the same. And I just made one bigger, one small, guys. And I did use a hot glue gun. So guys, I turned this, and at first, guys, I was like, oh my gosh, I just ruined my Uggs. And I kept working till I got something that was cute. And I just threw a chain around it because I'm actually going to go to the fabric store. The fabric store is like 40 minutes away. And I'm going to get these leather tassels and glue them in the back and then crisscross it around kind of like how Nicki's was. So this is one pair. This one is going to be the longest to make. And guys, look at these. Nicki had on another pair. Look at these. So you see, you guys see, these is the two boot makeover that we're going to do. So guys, I do have the hot glue gun in E6000. So I'm going to try to finish this one first. So basically, I just unlace it, guys. And I already got my stuff prepped and cut to make this video not be so long. So I got it prepped and cut. Let me stop it, guys, and go get a towel because this fur finna get all in my leggings. All right. Guys, I'm back. I got a sheet that I got in there. So pretty much I just unlace the shoe, guys. And I've already did the measurements, guys. So I'm going to take this fur and you slide it down in there, guys. Even it out. And I wanted to stop right there where the shoelaces is getting ready to start. Take the hot glue gun. And then just take a piece and put it right there. And drop it down right there, guys. And press it down. So I only glue that part down to stop it from moving. So I just glued that part down, guys. And then I measure up the tongue. And I'm going to take this piece and fold it over. So I measure up the tongue. And I'm taking a glue, putting it in this part, putting a little right here on the tongue. And we're just going to take it and roll that over. So we roll that over. That part is done. So now what I want to do so that I don't wind up gluing the shoe screens together, I just pull it together, guys.
I took my eyes off the road. I'm so sorry.
Okay, I pull that together.
You weren't going that fast.
Alrighty. And get them out of the way. Now the next piece is this piece. And if you guys see, I labeled it because I already tried on so that when I'm doing it, I don't wind up doing it wrong. So this is the top piece and the bottom piece. And when you get ready to glue by the shoe screen, don't glue the shoe screen down, guys. Be mindful not to do that. So, alrighty. So right there is where I want to go. I don't want to glue down on the shoe screen. So I'm bringing it and we're going to overlap it, guys. So take it and overlap it.
Careful.
And we're just going to go on around. Be careful, guys, because I just accidentally burnt myself. Yes, I did. So we're just going to take it on around.
Anything?
The glue. Take the glue on around. And we're just overlocking it around the top. Bringing it on around. And I be getting this glue all in my fingernails. I hate that. And it's hard, you know, you got to peel it and peel it off.
What is it?
So.
Like a farm or something over there.
How far?
About half a mile.
Okay. Okay, so now you guys see I got it all the way around like that, and just keep pressing it down. And the last final piece, oh, it's too long right here. The last final piece is I'm going to glue down the two corners on the side without gluing down the shoe screens, guys, because you still want to be able to have your shoe screens where you're able to pull them and move. So wait a minute, this side is not glued. Yeah, I gotta glue this down. Okay. All right. So just press that down, guys. Press that down. And then the final piece that I want to glue, and like I said, I'm not gluing the shoe screen, guys. So I move the shoe screen because you don't want to get it where you don't have the mobility of the shoe screen. So make sure you don't put the glue on top of the shoe screen. And I flipped it over the top of the shoe screen and glued that piece down. Okay?
This is private land.
So we're going to do the same for this side. Look, make sure you're not going to glue down on the shoe screen, guys. Lift that up and then put the glue right here. Not on the shoe screen, because then you will be stuck and won't be able to tighten it or untighten it, or however you like to wear it. And
My wife is
this one, I'm going to do a little going around. And then this shoe is done, guys. Very pretty, very pretty. And guys, if you guys don't have an old rabbit coat or fur coat, go to the thrift store, guys. And you probably can find some old fur at the thrift store, guys. So yes, you can find some old fur at your local thrift store. So these are done, and I thought these were so super cute. But make sure you overlap it up here, guys. So these ones is done, real simple. And you guys remember my headband that I made? These are gorgeous, guys. If you guys got some boots that lace up, try your local thrift store and try to find some glue. Some fur. Or if you got an old fur coat you don't wear anymore, cut it up and make some gorgeous head wraps and shoes and purses and whatever you want to make. You know, whatever you want to make. So yeah, this was an old rabbit fur coat that I had a long time ago. I'm not going to wear it no more, but I thought these was amazingly cute. So now we're going to move on to the other one, guys. I'm going to stop the video probably and come back because I don't have a lot of space. So with that one, because that one is a much longer process, guys, I'm not going to have the time to run it the whole way through. So if you guys see, this is the next one that we're working on. So let me diagnose all my parts. I got all my parts ready and cut, guys. So I have my two fur balls already ready. I have my side panel already ready. I have my front tongue already ready. The back panel and going all the way around the boot. Everything is already cut, guys. So the first one that I'm going to do, because I already measured this out, guys. See, I already measured it out. So basically what I'm finna do is line this up, guys. Glue this piece down. And when I get this piece glued down, guys, I'm going to come back. I don't have a lot of memory, so I just can't keep the video rolling. So all I'm finna do is I already got this measured out. I'm finna take this piece and assure it on here, and then I'll come back when I have it done, guys. All right. Guys, I'm back. So if you guys can see, I got the front panel all glued down, and I bring it all the way over to the end of the boot, guys, so that it can be like that. So I bring it all the way down to the end of the boots because that's kind of how hers look. So now I got my next piece already measured out. So I'm going to bring this all the way down to the end of the boot, guys. And now I'm going to secure this part, guys. And after I get this part all secured, guys, I'm going to come back with the next step. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to secure this part. And I will come back with the next step. Alrighty. Guys, so I got the back piece secured on. So the next part, what I'm going to do, guys, is this part. So now I'm going to take this part, guys, and secure it on from here going all the way around
I love you too.
here, guys, with this part. And when after I do that, then I'm going to take it and roll it over down, and then I'll come back with the other part that needs to get glued down. So I'm going to start gluing this part down, guys, and I'll come back once this part is all secure. Alrighty. And guys, when you gluing, don't make your boot smaller. Please be mindful of that you don't wind up making your boot smaller and losing the structure and making it too tight to get your foot in. So don't do pulling. Leave your boot the same size it needs to be, guys. Okay, I'll come back. Alright, so this is what it should look like now. And I did wind up running out of the hot glue, and I'm trying to use this fabric fuse and this one, so I'm not for sure how this is going to work. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is my little fur balls. I got a large one and I got a small one, so I want to put the first one right here, guys. So I'm gonna try to see if I can squeeze whatever glue is left out of this one out of here. We're gonna see if this will work. Oh, that won't even go in there.
Speaks such filth.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
In this house.
None of it will reach down there. Oh, it's gonna mess up my scissors. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try the fabric fuse and see if this will hold it together. But it might not, guys, because the hot glue gun welds it right away, and this has to sit for hours in order to dry. So we're gonna try it. So take it and put it right there, guys, and I'm gonna just hold it to try to get it to bond there, guys, and then I'll come back with you guys with the next step. I'm gonna try to get it to bond. All right. Hey guys, so I'm gonna have to stop and come back like 24 hours later, because the other glue that I'm using is not instant. And when I'm trying to blend the fur together, because after I get done placing everything, I start combing the fur to where I blend it together to actually have it meet up. But when I start combing it, it's coming up, so I couldn't even keep my fur balls in place. So I need to pretty much let it dry for 24 to 48 hours, because it keep coming loose every time I'm touching it. So I'm even trying to hold my little balls in place. They keep falling off. So when these dry, I'll come back and show you guys what they look like. This one is dry, but I have to come back. And then this chain is just something I put on. I'm going to wind up getting another brown leather tassel that I'm going to tie around, kind of like Nicki. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. So if you see, that's what the boot looked like before. That's what it looked like after. And these are some fun projects. And this is Nicki Minaj wearing those type of boots. And I thought they was really cool and cute. So if you guys want to make your own fur boots, go online and put in fur boots and get inspired by someone and make some awesome, awesome boots, guys. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And when they dry completely, I will try them on and show you guys what they look like. Hope you guys have an awesome, awesome day. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.
Can you put that away, please? Please. Your problem.